Good morning all. Paul from CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, July 2nd. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. Today is the last full trading day of the week. Okay, tomorrow's a half day, and Friday the markets are closed. The NYSE is open Thursday, half day. I'll be here. Friday, whenever the New York Stock Exchange is closed, I'm not here, and that will be Friday, even though the futures will trade, I think, until 1 o'clock that day. Yesterday, all three of our indices had incredibly different trading styles, for lack of a better word. Righty ended up with an outside day up and a trend day up. Now, for me, because they took out the previous day's low, I want them to take out yesterday's high to be up on the daily officially. Their weekly, though, and monthly are up. NQ couldn't get out of its own way yesterday. Struggled mightily all day. And this morning, trading right at value low from yesterday. ES had an inside day, with the bulls pretty much controlling a good part of yesterday after the morning pull down in C and D. They have also put in a new all-time high in the overnight. So as we look to today's trading, again, with the inside day, you come out of it, you go with it and monitor for continuation or lack of. Now, that inside day did not stop the one-time framing up. So this is the one-time framing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. But some people might call this a 2-day balance, and that's fine. I'm not so sure I would call the daily down if we took out Monday's low. I think I would have to see if that was to happen, how far down they got into Friday's range. But for now, it's up to balance with the inside day. Keep that in mind with the all-time high in the overnight. NQ is firmly in balance. It's a 3-day balance. Friday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay? Yesterday's low is the bottom of the balance. So in NQ's case, if we take out yesterday's low, the daily will be down. Again, a little different. The disconnect between ES and NQ yesterday on our checklist sheet was the widest I've ever seen it. Is it an anomaly? Is it something we have to keep an eye on? Remains to be seen. But by far, ES, the bulls won 5-1, and NQ, the bears won 5-1. Something you rarely see. We see it disconnect a lot of times early in the day, but then one becomes the lead and the other one catches up or whatever. Never happened yesterday. So something to keep an eye on. So again, in ES's case, your hump levels, for sure, are yesterday's high and yesterday's low. Because if you take out either one, you're going to be having inside days up or down. In NQ, the bulls certainly want to defend yesterday's low. If they don't, the daily's down. The bears would like to defend value high and the afternoon rally high from yesterday. If they do, you won't get the overnight high. Those are your very, very early levels, okay? And then on the chart, and tomorrow, it's a half day, but I'll recap the whole week going into the 3-day weekend after the close tomorrow. So here is ES, right? Your one-time framing up for 6 days, but you had a pause yesterday with the inside day. We'll see how we come out of it. And in Triple Q's case, in NQ, you came back into balance, and right now it's a 3-day balance. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.